Hello students, following to my previous video, I am going to tell some tricks how to solve when hydrogen iodide react with different types of ethers. First of all, the first one is when primary alkyl groups are there on the both sides of say oxygen in ether, this is CH3CH2. Then hydrogen iodide goes with, as we learned in our previous video, right, it is goes with less substituted carbon. Less substituted, it is goes with less substituted carbon, as we have already discussed in our previous video. So here the trick is, the first one, the trick here, what is the trick here? Always remember, if you don't know the mechanism also, just you remember the trick, that iodine always prefer to go to the less substituted carbon, where carbons are only 1 degree carbons 1 degree carbocations, if they form 1 degree carbocation. In the second case, when hydrogen iodide is given in excess, then first of all, same products are formed like the previous one, but due to presence of excess of hydrogen iodide, this alcohol further reacted with hydrogen iodide to give ethyl alcohol plus water. If there is aromatic ring present, also no problem. Here the same mechanism takes place, that is OCH3 plus HI. Already we have learnt about this in our previous sections, that here we get phenol, which is a best method of preparation, and methyl iodide. If excess of HI is given, then we will get this iodobenzene. We get iodobenzene plus water molecule. See students, here this is the primary carbocation in this one, and here is also primary carbocation. If you consider, here is also primary carbocation, but here iodine always prefer, in these two cases iodine is preferred to go to that carbon which is less substituted. But if in these cases, if instead of these cases, if it is given that secondary or tertiary carbocation, suppose alkyl group given is the tertiary carbocation, like this, then hydrogen iodide, then iodine goes with more substituted, that means highly stable carbocation, that is here tertiary carbocation formed after protonation. This is our product CH3OH. Sometimes students might doing some mistakes, like they do this reaction as the previous one, like they put the iodine along with this one. But here you have to remember that iodine goes with more stable carbocation. What students did? Generally what students did, like previous questions, they add this iodine to this less substituted carbon. But remember students, if there is a presence of 1 degree carbocation always and a tertiary 3 degree carbocation, then iodine prefer to go to that carbon which is a more substituted or most stable carbocation. Remember students, another the most important question sometimes asked, this is all these three reactions follows SN2 mechanism, and generally 1 degree carbocation is followed. Here it is SN1 mechanism and third degree carbocation. This is the trick what you have to remember while doing the ether reaction with the hydrogen iodide. Thank you students. If you like this video, share and subscribe. In coming videos, I will try to bring some more questions of NEET and JEE. So follow and subscribe my channel. Thank you.